Oh, that's the staff crew? Is that the staff crew for your mic? Yeah, that's the staff. Oh, yeah, that's the staff. So they go to So, but in planes they call it staff. But it's still lulubog siya. Ay, kulit ko. About to commence landing. But they are not allowed to move, right? Until we're actually landing. Until we're actually
Talking.
talking. Nag-stop na nila yung ano nila. Kasi hindi mo na kung huli Hindi pa nila huli. Oh yeah, sabi mo all the engines will on at the same time. Oh! Hindi mo narinig? I mean, I heard it. Ito na. This is it. Ito na. Ito na. That's a big boat. Ito na. Malapit na. Ito na. Malapit na. Ito na. Malapit na. Ito na. Malapit na. Ayun. Wait a second. I see the city.
Ay, bus ride.
Ito na.
Oh, 300
Why you
lang.
holding
Hindi lang akin. Bawal sa bus yung 200.
Paano pag isa na
Sabi yung po sa Canada.
You said it was not that loud!
You didn't say anything.
We only said the break. We only said the break. Yeah, and also the okay lang yan, Beshi. Basta mag-park. Captain mag-park it good.
Siguro rin.
It's not called driver, it's called captain. I said captain. I said the
Bakit
captain.
nag-start na eh?
How do you even get in there?
You're not going
How do you even get in there? Oh, there's the door. And no, the anchor is in the water now.
Ito na ako. Oo. Ha? Oo. Wala ang daan. Oo. Oo. At dito sila. Sila Isel, doon nakatira sa bahay nila. Kawa. Oo.
I go back to my horse. Look at me, grandma.
Oo, dito.
I think they are dropping in. Are they dropping Nothing injured.
Madali.
But why is the boat still moving, huh? Look, the boat's still moving. Now you're still parking. Now you're parking. Hindi daw natin dito.
Hindi alam yung dito.
Daming terminal na ano ba?
Parang A or A-.
Sa may imalis ka. Ay, tingnan mo. Bakit tanker mo?
Ang daming tama eh. Plastic. Why? It's filled with gas. Gas is very ano ba ito kung gas is-
Yung boat na yan, puro flammable trucks yung karga.
Tapos meron ito. Meron yung mga log. Kuya.
Oo, look. They align perfect. Flammable truck.
Give it up for something. Why does it look like a bird? Dad. Oh. Looks like a boulder.
Yeah, para smooth na. Hindi, tumama yung bumper.
Here you go.
Yung bumper nila sa road.
Bakit? Oh,